There we go. Got the clip going. Holy shit. That looks bad. Oh, fuck. Oh! Finally.
The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a special marine warning for Lake St. Clair, Open Lake South, portion St. Clair River,
That's actually right now. Now it's just about to record the actual storm. I think I might just, you know, record the full thing in its entirety. The winds seem to be calming down. Is it getting lighter? It looks like it's getting lighter. That's not good. Look at the downpours. Oh my god, the downpours. Oh my god.